Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. I got this cool small box from a company called FMS. FMS usually making airplanes. And there is inside a very cool rock crawler that is a 6x6. And let's open it up and show what there is inside. So they packed it really nice. When you take it out, there is like some tools and extra springs. And then look at this. After you get rid of the box, sorry my table is complete mess today. There is a nice styrofoam box. It's actually the same styrofoam that they're making their airplanes from. And then what you're going to do, you're going to pop it open. And it's designed in order to keep your your car in one piece. There is a beautiful rock crawler inside. And you're just going to pop it up, put it here. And then there is a remote here, and this remote is really cool because it is two-piece remote. So you're going to put your battery in, and then this kind of gonna slide over there. Am I doing it the right way? Oh, there is a clip. There's a clip here that you have to press in order for it to work. And now your remote is ready. It's actually pretty cool. It's a really cool idea actually that they did two pieces, and then you can just put it away. Let's put this in a side real quick and look at this vehicle. So this vehicle is really cool. It's a 6-wheel drive, and it's kind of like an old style Russian truck. Let's bring it actually this thing lower. That's it. Now you can see it better. Very simple vehicle. It's arrived already with battery and a charger and everything, and the all inside is good, nice details on it. There is actually here those muffler cooler that they actually really chrome and they cool. And then when you take, you know, like they have the center it's a center differential pumpkin that going like for backwards and forward, so it's going to make it 6-wheel drive. It's actually, it can articulate really good. It's really nice. It's actually, yeah, it's, look at this, it's actually work really cool. And then let's see, how do you open this? There's a steering servo that it's hidden right there, and those lights supposedly are working because they have inside actually I can see the wires. Let's see, where is the on-off switch here? And you know, it's kind of funny what I'm doing right now. Some of the viewers complain and tell me, oh, you should do the research before. No, I'm not. I'm showing you the real deal, what you're gonna expect when you see something. So I'm trying to find the on-off switch here, and I can see that there's plugs over there. And I see that there is a hinge, and man, how do you open this thing up? Let's see. Yeah, I know some guy over there is flipping up right now and telling me, oh, go to the manual, go to the manual. Okay, I'm trying to see when you look at it first thing if you can even see an on-off switch anywhere, and I cannot see any on-off switch here. So I think what you're going to need to do is actually remove the body in order to even plug it, because the wires are there. Like, there's no way that you can put your finger through this. Let me see if this is going to just get pulled out. There it is. This will just pull out like this. It's a hole with 2 magnets. And then after you pull it up, there is an on-off switch hidden right there. And you have all the wire and the receiver. And you have the light also here. Let's plug those lights in. And let's plug the battery. Now you're probably going to need like a AA batteries for this because it's not arriving with it. Boop, boop. Those little plugs are really hard for me to do because I have huge hands. Okay, so this is in, and then when you turn it on, let's see, any power in it at all? I think that the battery is completely empty, or I'm doing something wrong because the on-off switch, there it is. Now the on-off switch is on, and this thing is kind of ready to go. And you even have those cool tail light. This is actually pretty awesome little truck, and they're not expensive. They're about $150 or so, give and take, depending where you are and what the tax is going to be where you are. And this is a very cool electric rock crawler. I'm gonna make another video and we're gonna take it out and run it, but this is the new FMS rock crawler, and it's come in a couple different colors, so you can get this. It's not exactly a navy blue, it's kind of a really faded grayish blue color, and it's flat, and it's actually very nice finish to it. It's look really scale. If you're into scale, this is really cool. It have a tiny motor on it. The motor that this thing have, I think that this is actually like a 200 motor or 180. It's really tiny. And you know, for what this thing costs and the scale that it is, just to have it on the shelf is going to be real cool. But we're going to take it and abuse it a little bit. And this is the remote that it's come with if you want to see comparison of the remote to the vehicle. Let's take it out and see what it can do. I'm just going to need to charge the battery, and we're going to go from there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will pull another video on this thing because I know the camera was a little bit off, but I'm just trying to show it for you before everybody else. Bye.